Right, here we are in paradise. The sun's going down there last night. I'm going to show you room 294 in the Resort. Lovely beach up there. There we go. Right, and I'll get these trees cut down in the morning. I'm really sick of this, all the trees. There's our little Resort bungalow there. Got our sunbeds out the front. Probably never sat on them all while they've been at the bar in the bar. There you go. That's it, a few trees around. Sandy beach. And it's real, like sand. Okay. There's you up there doing a makeup. Smothered in palm trees. I mean, palm tree, palm tree, palm tree. Our beds. Never seen us on it. There you go. There's our little pot to wash your feet in. Hold on a second. Wash my feet before going indoors. Can you get the door on? Coming through. That's it. That's it. Two doing a makeup on the old day bed. There's the other two chairs. There's Jane's villa there. Next door, Dingles. Right, can you get the door for me, my love?
Your arm's broke.
The arms are broke. There you go, she's all brown. Day bed. Legs on there, flip flops underneath there. In here, we've got the.
Excuse me.
Yeah, okay.
Excuse me. Stand all of your feet.
Okay.
No, no.
Alright, don't worry about that. I'll wash footwear like that. Alright. TV. That's the iPod docking station. Aerial. iPod docking station. iPod. Over here we have the Chaise Lounge and the old Kuredu welcome pack plus remote. Cases are packed, ready to go. Blind. Picture on the wall. Kuredu. Picture over there. Dolphins. That's where the magic happened. Magic happened. Right, mirror. Mirror, desk. We've got a desk here. That's it, done a lot of writing there. Millions of postcards. And then mirror, there we go. Oh look, I'm red. Jackets in there, Kuredu, love Kuredu. Alright. Back out of that into the old safe there. I'm not going to tell you the combination. Well, there'll be nothing in there when I leave anyway. So drawers, 3 drawers that side, 3 drawers this side. Shelf space, aircon. Have the aircon. Hanging stuff there. Tea, coffee making facilities. You have a few bottles of water there that you get free. You've got the fridge there, which is Harrods. Got the Christmas peanuts in there, which are Harrods. Got a little wine cooler there, which is Harrods. Alright, let's work out there. Got the old aircon thing there. It's at 18 degrees, freezing. And then we've got the outside toilet. There you go, there's me in the mirror there. That's our garden. It is 28 degrees right now, and it's bloody hot. Pot there. Been watering that most nights. Be like that. Oh, there you go, water it. Yeah, little prayer thing there. Good shower. Yeah. A bit of a light. Shell shaped light. I'm used to a phone by the toilet, but just got bog roll this time. Bit of the old bin there. Kuredu, what do you call them? That's it, got to get a picture of that. There you go, Kuredu. Yeah. Back around with towel rail. So his and hers sinks. His and her sinks, bit of towel going on over there. And little crabs put into our little garden at night. And this is room 294 on the Resort. Loving it, very nice. All the light switches. They are 3pm English plugs. I do like English plugs. Hold on my way, a bit of a dimmer there. It's a bit of a dim. There you go, job done. Back to the desk. Jude coming in now. Look, right, my love. Yeah. This is our room in 294. Wraparound spell. Next one down to the presidential suite. Yeah. Bags are packed, ready to go. We've been evicted by the morning. Told to get out. That's where the old magic happened. Nice bed. Nice bed. Yeah, lovely. Remote. Grab the remote. Yeah. Otherwise, you've got to go start turning it over now and again. You know what I mean? So, anyway, that's room 294 on the Kuredu, what do you call it, estate. Let's try and get out the door. Get out the door. Yeah. That's our view from our room. Nice. You doing the makeup? Right, Joe? Yeah. That's our view. Get these trees trimmed up in the morning. Just for a leaf. Get grass mowed. Yeah, sand. Got a pot there. And that's... I'm just gonna... I have to do my signing out. That's good night from me. And that's good night from... Good night. Adios, Kuredu. We're going home back to Blighty. Alright, cheers, bye bye. Yeah, one quick look. Yeah. Sharks, everything out there. Sharks, and more sharks. Right, good night. Bye.